Hey guys, come check out this amazing ensuite bathroom we just wrapped up. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. Come check this out. So here we have an amazing ensuite bathroom. To be frank, the space was already pretty remarkable when we first came into this home, but the existing design just wasn't something that really satisfied the client. They wanted something very modern, something that felt quite spa-like, and so here's what we've delivered. So here we have a beautiful steam shower, all large format tile. We have this nice gold trim everywhere throughout the space. It's a beautiful design. We have a nice freestanding tub. We built this little tub bump out to house a niche. It's a nice design detail. Again, we have large format tile combined with some mosaics on the side. As you can see, there's some nice LED lighting for accent, a beautiful little chandelier above. And here we have this really unique double sink vanity unit. It's wall mounted. We have this great little floating shelf. Again, nice tile details in the backsplash combined with the coarse countertops. Here we have some nice millwork details around these backlit mirrors. And then behind us here, we have another kind of makeup area, again, combining this nice millwork detail and whatnot. So again, it's a very sleek, modern design. Large format tile to keep the grout lines to a minimum. Overall, really a remarkable space. If you have any questions about this space or a project of your own, please give me a call or reach out to us in the comments. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great one.